When I started a sign language course, I had absolutely no idea how it would, I didn't even know it would develop, and I didn't do it for a particular reason. I did it because I just loved it.
She's a fantastic person because she actually knows my role as a tutor and the process of tutoring. Some people who are support workers, hearing people, might marginalise the tutor, but Anne is very different. She respects what I say and she will explain to me what the hearing students are saying. So I think she's brilliant.
She's had many personal problems and she's overcome those to make sure that actually she maintains that voluntary support, and sometimes I have to remind myself that she's doing this voluntary.
I nominated Anne because I think that she's a worthy student. She travels a long way to support me in the class. She gets no expenses for doing this. And she hasn't asked for a penny in doing this, so this is why I've nominated the award. So really to say good luck to Anne with it.
Many thanks, both on a personal level for all the support that you've given to Sarah and to learners throughout the college, and also many thanks from Yale College really as well for all of just the immense support that you give on a voluntary basis, term after term after term. Thank you and have a really enjoyable night.
I mean, I've formed some wonderful friendships with deaf people. I'm active in the deaf community. I go to a deaf club. I've been to social activities far and wide with deaf people, and it just gives me an insight into their world, and I hope I help to bridge the gap between the two.